Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Virgo Earth sign, your person current feelings and their actions. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is from June 1st to June 10th. So your person current feelings towards you, Virgo Earth sign. Okay, let's see. The Star, Nine of Cups, Queen of Wands. Wow, your person want you in their life. Definitely you are their wish fulfillment. And the Star, I think you could be popular, or your person could be a popular star or popular in some areas. And Queen of Wands, there is I think there is a lot of passion between both of you. Queen of Wands, and this is very good energy. I think your person right now in very good energy. Definitely you are their wish fulfillment. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Virgo. This is very good energy. Oh, I'm taking only. Okay, let's see your person near future actions towards you. Eight of Wands, Five of Wands, King of Pentacles. I think there are some disputes are going between both of you. Five of Wands, fighting. I think your person fighting for you here, and a lot of, and things are getting better. Definitely Eight of Wands, communication is coming in your way. Things are moving very fast. And Knight of Pentacles, definitely he want to offer this Knight of stability to you, long term commitment to you. Definitely he want to fight for you. Anything he can do, anything for you, and want to offer stability to this connection. And Eight of Wands, communication, lot of communication is coming in your way, Virgo. So let's pull some cards from universe. Two of Wands, your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, lot of fire energy. Ten of Swords, Page of Cups, and the last card for the reading, Three of Cups. Wow, definitely if they did something wrong to you, definitely then apology is coming in your way. Page of Cups, an offer of love is coming. And Three of Cups, definitely there will be celebration. Ten of Swords, their cycles going to be, and I think the disputes between going to be resolved. And Two of Wands, I think this could be long distance relationship. There are some traveling involved in this. I think your person want to come towards you to see you. This could be long distance relationship, and your person thinking about you a lot. Two of Wands, definitely there is a union and celebration also in June. Page of Cups, definitely an offer is coming, long term commitment is coming. You both will be like party together. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.